Hello guys, and welcome to Alma Crash Repair Center. We got an Audi R8 2012. The car is very good condition, but unfortunately the customer, he was on the truck. As you can see, the mud still on the alloy wheels and the tires, the back one as well. So basically the client, he was on the truck and he lost the control and he damaged the car. So now the car, it's in our place to get it repaired and paint. As you can see, the most of it is being stripped, mirror, the side chrome bit. So even this side as well, you can see, still you can see the mud. So basically the car got damaged. The car now is being repaired. We're masking it up, make it ready for paint. And this is the other bit, the chrome bit, that's being repaired, primed. So now we're gonna show you how we're gonna paint the car and to get it chromed as well. You will definitely enjoying the spraying and the video. Here you go. Now the car has been masked. Full side is going to be respray. Then we got that, we replaced it here, so we're going to paint it as well. god, has been painted as well. Looks amazing. This is the chrome finishing. Here you go. This is the other bit as well. And this is the finishing of the car.